Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to cancel a friend request on Snapchat. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Snapchat application. After that, what you need to do is go and log into your profile, or of course, if you don't have one, you can always go and register to Snapchat. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the bottom right corner, as you can see, we have videos. We have also the stories with your friends and everything here. The camera in the middle, and in the of course the last two stuff in the bottom left corner are your location and chat. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and cancel a friend request on Snapchat. So once their profile appears, you need to click on the option friend request sent. So which appears on the right side of the person's name at the top of their profile. Then you just need to go and click on the option which is cancel request. But how can I see friend request I sent on Snapchat? Well, open the Snapchat app on your mobile and tap on your profile picture. And there on your profile picture in the top left corner, you will have those options. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I already told you, I hope that you found this video informative, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.